Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to the Ceramic Repair Studio. So in today's video I thought I'd do a simple video on how to fix a chipped mug or a chipped cup. Now I've got some chips on the bottom, literally the base of this, I think it's an Emma Bridgewater small mug here, and so we're just going to fix this little chips here just so it's smoothed out and so we can actually reuse it. Now you can also do the rim and other chips in various other places as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a product called Milliput, not sponsored. I do find it very easy to use and easy to sand. So let's get going. So once you get your Milliput, it comes in two parts and you need to actually mix them together in equal quantities. So first of all, I'm just going to take one from the blue packet, and you don't need too much. And I do like to sort of roll it up into a ball easier. So there we have a small ball there, and just also make sure that obviously that you wrap it straight away back up, otherwise you're going to end up with your Milliputs drying out. So let's take the other one from the other packet. Now this, as I said before, is the super fine white. They do come in other colours. I do find the white sands better, but obviously it depends on the colour of your item. So again, I'm just going to roll it into a ball, and then let's just compare sizes, which is pretty good. Maybe a tiny bit less off the white, take a tiny bit more off there again, and then just wrap up the other packet. So once you've got the two parts together, you can see they're different colours. One's a slightly yellowy colour and one's white, and that's great because then you can see when they're actually combined well. And you just want to use your fingers and just really mix it in nicely. And first of all, you can see it starts to become almost like a marble effect shape, and you want that to be completely combined and the same colour. And it doesn't take very long, just a couple of minutes, and then just combine it. If you don't combine it completely, it won't actually set. So you really do want it to be completely combined, and you'll feel it in the hands. It would almost feel like it's like glue tack, so sort of soft and pliable. Now I also have a small cup of water here just for afterwards, so we can smooth the item down. Also, I'd just like to stress that if you do have a really large chip, these are quite small, so this should be fine. But if you have a large chip, you will want to actually apply some glue to it first, then apply the Milliput. Although it is sort of a self-adhesive, obviously on large pieces, you do need to add in more glue. Right, so that's, as you can see, that's combined. That's all the right colour, all the same. And then we're just going to take our piece, and then I'm just going to take a little bit off, and you almost want to put it almost into the shape of your item. And then we're just going to place very gently and carefully, actually maybe make it even smaller. You don't want too much Milliput on there, otherwise you're going to have a lot of sanding to do and it's just a lot more hard work. But you want it slightly proud so we can actually sand it. And then just gently apply. There we go. And then just press it down and press it on. And then I'll just take the other piece. Again, a semi sort of shape. And then just press down. Just press it all the way along. Now, if you do find you have too much on there, you can use a tool, which I have a small knife here, just to sort of cut away some of the pieces. Otherwise, as I said before, you will be there for quite a while sanding. Right, so once you've pressed it in and you're quite happy that it's really quite secure there and it's slightly overlapping but not too much, you can then take your water and just place a little bit on your finger, and then just smooth it down and just smooth right into it. Now I like to leave this for a good 24 hours to dry and set before I start to sand. Now we just leave that there. I do have other videos on sanding, and then that would sort of give you an idea of your next process. So there we are. We've sort of applied some Milliput to help fix this little cup here. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed before, and please give a thumbs up if you found it interesting. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.